Title: Blood Cancer, Beware. FDA green lights Johnson & Johnson's wild new therapy, Talvey. But can your wallet handle it? TLDR. Hold on to your seats. Johnson & Johnson's got a brand new bag with the FDA-approved blood cancer therapy Talvey. This fresh remedy goes head-to-head with the disease using bispecific antibodies and aims to aid those battling multiple myeloma. But here's the twist: it's gonna cost you a pretty penny, up to $360,000 for a 6 to 8 month treatment. Is it worth it? You be the judge. Disclaimer: this article contains information about medical therapies and costs, and does not constitute professional medical or financial advice. Consult with a healthcare provider for medical guidance, and do not make any decisions based solely on the information provided here. A new hope or just hype? Here's the 411 on what's popping with Johnson & Johnson's latest creation, Talvey. This therapy is all about getting up close and personal with cancer cells, making your immune system the bouncer, and telling those nasty cells, you're not on the list. But what's the real deal here? The FDA stamped its approval, and Talvey is the first of its kind to target GPRC5D, a protein that's partying it up in cancerous plasma cells. And get this, it's going to be ready for patients in just 3 weeks. But wait, there's more. Or is there? The cost of staying alive. Now, let's talk dollars and cents. Your well-being ain't cheap, folks. A full treatment of Talvey can set you back anywhere from $270,000 to $360,000. And that's just for 6 to 8 months. So, what do you get for that chunk of change? Weekly or bi-weekly injections to battle relapse multiple myeloma, but only if you've been through at least 4 prior treatments. So, is it just for the elite few? Should healthcare be a privilege or a right? Let's dive deeper. Johnson & Johnson's track record. Last year, Johnson & Johnson introduced us to Talvey, another bispecific antibody, but Talvey is a different beast altogether. Around 35,730 Americans are looking at a multiple myeloma diagnosis this year, and they're probably wondering, is Talvey my salvation? Or do I need to win the lottery first? But the question we've got to ask ourselves is this: is Johnson & Johnson paving the way for the future, or just another corporation cashing in on our health and lives? You tell me. Conclusion: a cure or a curse? Talvey is here, folks, and it's making waves. It's a glimmer of hope for those who've been fighting the good fight against blood cancer. But, as always, the path to wellness is paved with green, lots and lots of green. So here's the kicker, the big question, the one that's probably going to keep you up at night. In a world where cutting-edge medical treatments are born every day, should life-saving cures be accessible only to those who can afford them? Is the price tag on health just the way of the world, or is it something that needs to change? What's your take?